Does Omicron capable to cause reinfection? Why acquired immunity fails to resist Omicron variant? Hi friends, the immunity acquired through previous infection and vaccination is less effective against Omicron than against other variants, but the risk of COVID-19 remains low. Nature News, 16 February 2022. The number of people reinfected with coronavirus has been sharply rising since SARS CoV-2 Omicron BA.1 variant started its rampage in November 2021. The new variant is capable to evade the body's immune defense, opines researchers. This variant possesses lots more immune evasive properties compared to earlier strains, says Dr. Laith Abu Raddad, an epidemiologist of Weill Cornell Medicine in Qatar, Doha. The BA.1 variant, studied in Botswana and South Africa, contained more than 50 mutations in spike protein immunogenic receptor binding and was less neutralized by the serum of vaccines compared to the previously dominant Delta variant, reports Dr. Chaguza C et al. Med. R. 14 of January 25, 2022. According to Dr. Marm Kilpatrick, an infectious disease researcher at the University of California, Santa Cruz, the ability of this virus to infect people with immunity derived from vaccines or infection is a key part of what made the recent surge so large. The first sign of immunoevasive nature of Omicron came from the data collected in South Africa, says Dr. Catherine Bennett at Deakin University in Melbourne, Australia. The data collected by the UK Health Security Agency shows that probably more than 650,000 people there have been reinfected in 2 months period. Early tests on rhesus monkeys show that Omicron-targeted vaccines do not afford any better immunity than the original vaccines. Nature News, February 14, 2022. The molecular structure of Omicron BA.1 helped researchers to explain its global takeover. It is structurally very different than all other variants we know so far, says Dr. Priyambada Acharya, a structural biologist at Duke Human Vaccine Institute, Durham, North Carolina. Omicron mutation is fast and predominant because out of the 50 plus mutations, it has more than 30 mutations in the spike protein itself, whereas other variants had only 10 mutations in the spike proteins. After this variant started spreading even to those who were vaccinated, scientists used cryo-electron microscopy, that is, electron microscopy under minus 153 degrees Celsius, to visualize Omicron's molecular structure and to study the features of this highly mutated virus that enabled them to evade the body's immune defense while also maintaining their ability to attack a person's cell. Nature 602, 373 to 374 pages of 2022. 15 of Omicron BA.1's spike mutations are found in the protein receptor binding domain (RBD), a region that binds to a receptor found in the called ACE on a person's cell to gain entry. The research team of David Wessler of University of Washington Seattle has shown that these changes, along with 11 mutations in a region of spike proteins called N-terminal domain have completely remodeled the area of the protein that recognize SARS CoV-2 after the vaccination. McCollum M. et al. Science 2022, 375, pages 864 to 868, and also in PMID 350, 762 to 56. As these remodeled proteins of the immune system fail to recognize the virus, they permit entry of this virus into the cell and the person is again infected. So it follows that the best way to prevent any COVID-19 infection is to 1. Keep safe distance, and 2. Use masks till we are sure that the scientists have completely conquered SARS-CoV-2 and further mutation of this virus is prevented. Please click the red subscribe button on the right side of right lower side, like, share, and comment on this informative channel. This is the latest science research available in world's premier research publications. I will soon come with another edition of scientific research explained in simple, easy to understand language. Thank you very much for your time. I am Edwin Williams, EJW Science and Research News.